Good morning, children. In our Tuesday's class, what we have completed? We are on exercise page number 173 of Unit 2, Flora and Fauna. We have completed match the following. Yes? Then question number 2, distinguish between. See children, many of you have write very neatly, but very few still you get confused and you have not written properly. So what I will do, once again I will write and send one that page for you, how you have to write. Many of you have not divided that page also equally. On the side you have left the space. In the margin you should write only 1 to 3 numbers, but the remaining from the margin to the end of the page you have to fold it half part and you have to do 2 columns. And as I told you, first point should be opposite to the second point and the second point is to be opposite to the second one. So all should come equally. Many of you, the first one you did correctly, second and third you did little mistake. So once again I will send you that question number 2, distinguish between, see that, write it or correct it. Okay. Now let us move to question number 3. Already we have completed, that is fill in the blanks with the correct alternative. All that 5 blanks we have written. Then question number 4, name the following. Shall we read that one? What we have written? Okay. The roots of a plant grow below the ground and the stem of a plant grow above the ground. Got it? These 2 blanks. The third one, creepers have weak stem. Fourth one, most trees live for many years. Fifth one, the rice plant is a herb. This was question number 3. Question number 4 is name the following. The first one is the process through which plants prepare their food, that is photosynthesis. Children, have you beheaded that spelling of photosynthesis and chlorophyll? Spelling of photosynthesis, P-H-O-T-O, photo, S-Y-N-T-H-E-S-I-S, photosynthesis. And next one, the green substance present in the leaves, that is chlorophyll, C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L, chlorophyll. Third one, the flat gold portion of the leaf, that is a leaf blade, L-E-F, leaf, B-L-A-D-E, blade. Fourth one, the roots which store food in them, that is fleshy roots, like a flesh it is. They are carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, and R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. So these were your 4 questions. Now come to question number 5. So let us move to question number 5. What is question number 5? You have to write, pick the statement. Pick the statement. Pick the statements that are true and put cross the wrong ones. Now see children, I will write all the sentence, we will read the sentence and then we will write the answer. So I will write it, you just copy to me. Okay? Write the first one. All plants have tap roots. First one is all plants have what is the answer here? All plants have tap roots? No. So, what you have to write the answer? No. So, in the box you have to put a cross that this sentence is not right. The second one, garlic is a stem. Second one is garlic is a stem. So, we have learned about some underground stem. In that, onion, garlic, ginger, potato, sugarcane, we have read about their sum of underground stem. So what you have to write here? Is it right or wrong? Right. So garlic is considered as a stem. The third one, the stem of the third one. Write the third one. The stem absorb water and minerals from the soil. So what is the answer? Is it that water stem absorb water and mineral from the soil? Yes. So put right for this sentence. Come to fourth one. Plants which have fourth one. Plants which have narrow, weak stem and need support. They need support to grow. To grow are called. They are called herbs. Is it that? No. The plants which have narrow weak stem and need support to grow, they are climbers, not the herbs. So what is the answer? You have to put wrong for this. Okay, come to fifth one. Fifth one is popcorn is made. Already children, you are very fond of popcorn, isn't it? Popcorn is made from the seeds of the maize plant. Popcorn is made from the seed of maize plant. Isn't it correct? Yes. So from the maize plant we got that maize seed. From that we made popcorn. So here what is the answer? You have to put right. Got it, children? Now see, take the statements that are true and wrong. Put cross the wrong ones. The first one is all plants have tap roots. Wrong, because some of them they are having fibrous roots also. Garlic is a stem. Right. Third one, the stem absorb water and minerals from the soil. Right. Fourth one, plants which have narrow weak stem and need support to grow are called herbs. That is wrong. They are climbers. So herb means wrong. Popcorn is made from the seed of the maize plants. Right. Now children, copy this 5. Right or wrong? I will rub the board and we will write question number 6. See children, question 6. Draw a people leaf and mark these parts in it. Which are those parts? Leaf blade. So here is the leaf blade. See, I have drawn a leaf of a people. See in your textbook, you can open that page and you see a leaf, how it is drawn. Leaf margin, this is the leaf margin. Main vein, here we call it as midrib or main vein. This is the main which is coming here. This is your main vein. So here veinlets. Here these are veinlets. This is your veinlets. Then stalk. This is a leaf stalk. See, this part we call it leaf stalk. So children, what you have to do? You have to draw a leaf in your notebook like this very neatly. You can open your textbook. See on that page the leaf part. Already they have given. That time I told you while doing exercise we will draw a leaf. So this is the diagram of a leaf. And children, many times I am telling you, when you are doing the diagram, use the light pencil. Draw it very neatly. Label the parts and do color. are not paying attention towards your diagrams. So draw it very neatly and do your work. And now note down your homework. Your homework is you have to write that tick right or wrong one time in your notebook. Okay. Then you have to draw. Draw a leaf with color, and you have to color it. Compulsory you have to color it. And same time you have to complete test book. Page number 173. So this is your homework, children. All that question number 3, question number 1, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 5 and 6 you have to draw in the notebook. Do your work very well, children, and send it to me. Don't delay your work, and on time you have to send regularly your homework because many of you are remaining absent. So don't remain absent, send your work regularly. Okay, children, have a nice time. Bye.